India delivered a dominant performance on Day 2 of the World Para Athletics Grand Prix 2025 in New Delhi, securing a total of 10 gold, 6 silver and 5 bronze medals across javelin, discus, shot put, long jump and track events. Javelin continued to be India's strongest event, with Rinku Hooda leading the way in the men's F46 category. His throw of 60.26 meters earned him gold, adding to his recent national championship win and silver at the Asian Para Games. In the men's F12, F37, F42 and F43 combined category, India swept the podium with Pushpendra Singh securing gold with a throw of 57.57 meters, followed by Mohit and Jaswant, who claimed silver and bronze respectively. Ritender added another gold in the F40-41 category with a 30.33 meter effort, continuing India's dominance in javelin events. India also shone in the discus throw, with Atul Kaushik winning gold in the men's F56-57 event with best throw of 43.92 meters. His compatriot Ram Kumar Yadav secured silver with 30.59 meter effort, marking another strong showing for India in the field of events. In the women's shot put, Khushbu Gill and Ananya Bansal delivered podium finishes for India, taking silver and bronze respectively. In the women's javelin F34 category, Bhagyashree Madhavrao Jadhav secured gold with a throw of 12.73 meters, beating out competitors from Uzbekistan. Now, India's dominance also extended to the track, with Dilip Mahadu Gavit storming to gold in the men's 400 meters T47 event, clocking an impressive 48.78 seconds. Jaspreet, representing the Indian Army, followed with silver at 49.64 seconds, while Bhavi Kumar Dinesh Bhai took bronze with 50.32 seconds, marking yet another podium sweep for India. Abhishek Babasaheb Jadhav put up another strong performance, claiming silver with a time of 64.09 seconds. Now, talking about long jumps, Indian athletes also made their presence felt in that event. In the T42, T44 category, Meet Bharat Bhai Patel and Ram Singh Bhai Govind Bhai finished second and third respectively, earning silver and bronze for the hosts. In the T47 event, Ajay Singh claimed bronze with a leap of 6.18 meters. With multiple goals across javelin, discus, shot put, long jump and track events, India reaffirmed its growing stature in para-athletics. The strong performances on Day 2 set the tone for a promising campaign ahead as Indian athletes continue to make their mark on the global stage. We'll be updating you with more, so don't forget to follow Rev Sports.